Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of Valentine's Day, February 13th through the 19th in my catch-all planner. And I'm actually going to not be planning for Valentine's Day necessarily. This spread is going to be based on food. I'm using the SweetTPlans Chef It Up kit along with some of her scripts and deco pieces from a recent sale that I just ordered from. And then I also have some redhead stickers, scripts, and some Coffee Planner Mom scripts here as well to kind of help me fill in the gaps. But I'm choosing this kit specifically because my mom and dad are coming down to visit us, and we are very excited. So we're going to Flower and Garden Festival, which technically this kit is mainly my thought process of food and wine, but I really love it. I think it's very versatile, so it can be used any week, and I'm really excited about it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I also pulled some washi aside because I thought they fit well with the color scheme. I don't know if I'm going to be using them. I know I'm going to use the grid, but we're going to go ahead and open up our planner. And I had mentioned that I was going to be in the last Plan With Me video, I had mentioned that this was going to be a collab video that I was going to share, and the files got corrupted, so I was not able to upload the collab video, but this is what the spread ended up looking like. If you guys are interested in checking that out, I did share a picture on my Instagram. So I love this kit. It is by Redhead Stickers and it's beautiful. I just felt awful that I wasn't able to share it with you guys because, like I said, I love this kit. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this week. Alright, so very last minute I decided to change up the washi that I'm using and do this brown because there are touches of brown in the spread or in the kit, so I thought this would be better for me to use rather than the grid washi, just because I have that rainbow stripe along the spine. So now we're going to go ahead and move into the spread. So I'm going to actually be working all the way into some of my off days. So I'm going to have Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. So that's technically going to be my weekend. So I don't know if I have my weekend banner. I'm sure I have one lying around, but I think what we're going to start with is actually the date covers because that would be the best way to go. The only thing is I don't know if I want to use this washi tape or not. Let's put the date covers down and see if I should use, because obviously, you know, we have the date dot here, so I don't need the 13, but we will see how it works. And I'm obsessed with this kit, by the way, you guys. It is so pretty. And she just released like this Easter kit with Disney characters and I'm obsessed. I need it. Okay, let's see if this washi tape even matches. It looks like it sort of does. We're gonna try the blue and see how this looks. This blue is a little too dark. I wonder if I have one that's a little bit lighter. Let's see. I've got this one. I think this washi might end up working better. Okay, so this washi is better in color. So we will, I guess there's no harm in trying, right? Like, the worst that's going to happen is it's just not going to look right. So I do have to white out the number here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this side too so I don't forget. It gives this side time to dry. I feel like this is the part that takes the longest for me, is the dates. I always feel like it takes forever for me to figure out what I want to do. All right. Guess we'll go ahead and start. Yeah, you know, this color isn't that bad. I'm actually okay with it. So we'll see if I need to add the blue across the top, because I probably will. But let's go ahead and do the rest of the week. And then, oh, well, that's it. That's the only little bit of washi that I have left from this. Oh, well. Well, that is sad and unfortunate. I don't think I have any extra. So this is from Redhead Stickers, and I'm thinking what we will do is we'll just put this weekend banner up here instead to kind of help out that we didn't have enough washi tape left. And then I will end it here and pick it back up. I need to fix that though. And we're going to pick it back up on this side. And that, oops, that should solve our washi problem. The only issue is I'm not going to have any more of this washi to use on another spread, or on the rest of the spread. That's okay. All right, now that we have that done, I'm actually kind of liking how that looks, and I do like the weekend banner up there. We're gonna go ahead and add our items. So let's see. I'm thinking we're gonna do this one as the sidebar because this is a little bit too big. So I still need to have my normal items on my sidebar for like my checklists and everything. So trying to see that little piece. Probably not. We're gonna hold on to it though. And let's do okay, well, here's the thing. We know that there's going to be nothing happening besides us doing fun things on the weekend. So I'm going to use this, oopsie, this sticker here for some journaling. And I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to leave myself a little room in case I decide to add some washi. And then we're going to go here, and I think I'm going to put Minnie and Mickey on this spot here. And I'm going to lift, oopsie, hi, let me have, oh, I ripped it. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. There we go. That's cute. And then we'll do chefs. I can actually put it right here at the bottom. I don't know, would that work though? I do need to leave that spot blank. So we're going to put the chefs right next to it. That way we have some deco on both sides. And I'm thinking that this can be for my work schedule. So I might actually have to move our chefs over. Okay, that came up a little bit nicer than I thought it would. Okay, let's do that there on the sidebar. So then we're going to put the chefs in this corner. There we go. This isn't bad, actually. And I do want to add some color on this side. So we're going to use Goofy over here because I need to have a checklist. Yeah, we're going to do it in this corner here. And then we will add this one here. I do need to do some more deco on this side too. So we are going to put, yeah, we're going to put Daisy here. And then maybe another checklist right here. Not this one though. Let's use the pink one. These stickers are definitely meant for a big, but that is okay with me. I am not that worried about it. I do want to get rid of these lines here. Well, this went a lot faster than I had expected it to go because I really thought we were going to have a lot more. But now it's time. I'm thinking I'm going to add some more deco just to spruce up the page a little bit. I'm definitely going to add the pieces that aren't already in the spread. So let's go ahead and add the deco and probably the scripts and just fill up the page a little bit more so it looks a little more cohesive. Everyone, and that is it for this quick plan with me and my catch-all spread for the week of the 13th through the 19th. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this kit so much and I'm so happy I chose it for this week. It's going to be really fun for me to look back on the spread and remember, oh yeah, this was the week that my family came down and we went to Flower and Garden Festival and we watched lots of shows and we hung out as a family. This is going to be a really awesome spread for me to reminisce on. So I am so excited that I chose this kit, and I actually have so much of the kit left over. Like, I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes and so much deco. So lots of extra items in the kit that I can use throughout the you know, following weeks, or if I want to add another piece for journaling and things like that. So lots of really fun things. Like I said, this is a kit from SweetTPlans. I have her Instagram and her website linked down in the description box below, so if you guys are interested in checking out some of her other kits and other items that she has in her shop, I highly recommend it. I am not sponsored or on a PR or anything for SweetTPlans. I just recently discovered her shop and I'm absolutely in love with it, and I have purchased quite a bit from her, so you guys be looking forward to a lot more of these spreads. I'm obsessed. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make crafting content from planners to other kinds of videos, from polymer clay to art prop journal books. If you guys are interested in seeing any of my crafting content, they are linked in various different playlists down in the description box below, along with the affiliates that I am on: Paper House Productions, Scrapbook.com, Day Designer, and a Cherry on Top Crafts. So if you guys are interested in checking out any of those shops, all of that will be linked in the description box below. PRs that I am on will also be in the description box, along with the codes and the website link. None of those are going to be affiliates. If I have an affiliate, it will be very clearly listed. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this spread. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.